Hello guys, I know you don't see me much in the BBS scene, but we're always putting Commodores to work. Hooked all these up, well not all of them, but I wanted to print out the family history book. So we hooked this printer up here. Got a little smears on the left side. And my grandma typed this up. She has passed away. But she gave me a bunch of discs back in 1996. Included a note. Want me to sign them off, man. So, try to get a good print out of it. So we're working. It's actually a Gemini. The Star was kind of doing the same thing this was, but I had to try one on the Star just for the hell of it. And their ink ribbon's pretty good. And now I put a new one on it. And all the paper's dropping down back here. Back in all the wire mess. But, yeah. Preserving some history with the Commodore 64. Using good old C script. So I hope you guys enjoy. Just want to check in with y'all. Let y'all know I'm still alive. I'm always playing with something. So take it easy, y'all.